Hey there, Christian from RackNerd. If you're looking for a powerful yet lightweight control panel to manage your server, Ajenti is a great option. It provides an intuitive web interface with features like file management, service monitoring, and plugin support, all for free. We actually had a recent video on how to install Ajenti with Ubuntu or Debian distros. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step of how to install Ajenti on AlmaLinux. Now let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that your server is running AlmaLinux 8 or later and that you have root access. If you're hosting with RackNerd, your VPS is already optimized for this setup, but if not, you can check out the tutorial in the description down below to see how to order a VPS with RackNerd and other relevant videos you may be interested in. Now let me share my screen here and let's walk through the installation. First, log into your server using SSH and update your server by running this command. Before installing Ajenti, we need to enable the epel repository. Run this command. Next, let's install the required dependencies. With the dependencies installed, we can now proceed with installing Ajenti. The easiest way to do this is by using the official installation script. This script will handle everything, including downloading the necessary packages and configuring Ajenti. And once the installation is complete, it will show you how you can log in, and the Ajenti service will start automatically. To confirm Ajenti is running, use this command. If you see active or running, that means Ajenti is installed and running successfully. Now you can run Ctrl+C to escape that. If you navigate to the login page, you may not be able to land on that page because we still need to enable the firewall for the Ajenti port. By default, Ajenti runs on port 8000, so we need to allow access through the firewall. Now run the following commands to do just that. Now you can access Ajenti's web interface from your browser. Simply navigate to your server, your-server-IP:8000. You should be directed to the login page. Log in using your username root and your server's root password. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully installed Ajenti on your AlmaLinux server. Now you can start managing your server through its intuitive web interface, monitoring services, and install additional plugins to enhance functionality. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to RackNerd TV for more useful content. And for fast, reliable VPS hosting, visit racknerd.com. With that said, talk soon. Thank you for watching.